Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to actually go over kind of what is sandblasting and how does it work, the two different types of systems that we have here at Vapor Honing. The machine in front of me, which is a 900 front door loading machine, actually is a siphon machine. This works basically by suction. Very good for doing delicate items, very good for doing small items, but for large items or very heavily corroded, suction's probably not the best way to go. Now the machine to the front of me here actually, this machine's actually set up as a pressure pot. On the back of this machine, we actually have a pressure pot that's actually pressurized with the media inside that pot that is being forced into the machine. You've got a lot more force coming in when you're blasting in this machine. You actually have a different blast nozzle in here also because you have that force behind it. So this is really good for cleaning up larger pieces or for anything that's very heavily corroded. It's the best difference between the two. So if you think of a suction machine, it works very similar to that of a spray bottle. If I spray this, our camera's not moving because that didn't make it all the way to them. It's not as much pressure, it's very delicate, it cleans very easily. Now when you look at a pressure pot's more like a fire extinguisher. And if I pull the pin on this fire extinguisher and pull it, Erica's probably gonna run and we're not gonna have any more video going on right now, so we're not gonna do that. But you've all seen a fire extinguisher, you know how that works. That's your biggest difference between suction system and an actual pressure pot system. You also have the difference in medias. All of our systems, we recommend our reclaimer and our dust collecting system with them. Dry blast does make dust. You don't want that dust in the air. The reclamation system over here is actually reclaiming that media so it can be reused over and over. In a nutshell, that's pretty much dry blasting and how it works. Any machine that we make in wet blasting, we can make in dry. If you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.